in the Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo areas dropped below that $2 mark. It's been that cheap in Greenville and on the lakeshore, but it's the first time we've seen it this low within the city limits of Grand Rapids and Kzoo since 2009. So let's get an expert opinion on this. On the phone right now is GasBuddy.com analyst Patrick DeHaan to talk a little bit about this. It's below $2 a gallon in the Grand Rapids area, Patrick. It's around $1.80 something on the lakeshore. What do you think? Is it going to keep going any lower than that?
Not too shabby. I don't think it'll go a whole lot lower than $1.80. I think most of those stations at that price are losing money. It's been nice. I mean, hey, only a month and a half ago were we talking about sub $3 a gallon, and now we're somehow talking about sub $2 a gallon. I don't think in another month we'll be talking about sub $1 a gallon prices, but kind of enjoy it while it lasts. Oil prices are showing some signs that they're going to stick around in the mid-50s, and this may be as good as it gets. You'll see prices bounce around, though, so don't be surprised if one day you see them over 2 and then, another week and they're back under.
Well, let's talk about the economy here, because now all of a sudden they're showing that it's growing at a blistering rate, 5% in the last quarter. That's the best since 2003. What does that mean for gas prices? Because in the past we've heard that the economy's going like gangbusters and it's pulling gas prices along with it.
Well, and that's usually the case, but this goes to show the whole decline in oil prices doesn't have anything to do really with supply and demand. At this point, sure, it has to do with the supply, but I think the market is more fixed on what OPEC is saying about, okay, we're suddenly okay with $20 or $40 a barrel crude. I mean, since when has OPEC, a cartel meant to drive prices higher, suddenly okay with low oil prices? This is why prices have declined, and really, even if the economy's rip-roaring hot, we're still in the winter months. People still can't dump the boat in the lake. I mean, I guess they can. It's not frozen. But demand can't rise for gasoline in the colder months because it's cold. Who wants to go outside and go to the cottage? And demand is always lower in winter. So if prices stick around this low in the summer, then yes, expect it to affect, the economy, and gas prices may go up in the summer. But right now, demand can only go up so much.
Okay, we'll keep an eye on the Saudis and what OPEC and what they want to do here, because apparently they want to be able to drive some American businessmen out of business, essentially. That's another story. But I got a quick question for you as far as diesel's concerned, because that's considerably higher. We've actually gotten some phone calls and some comments from viewers who are concerned because gas prices are below $2. Diesel's still over $3.
Yeah, it's a hot topic, Brett. I got good news. Diesel prices have declined about 14 cents a gallon on average in Michigan. The decrease is actually much bigger. Diesel prices have dropped 20 cents a gallon just in the last week. They're starting to come down. A lot of the reason why they were so high is that diesel was at record low inventories. There were 2 major refinery issues in Minneapolis that happened in November. Prices skyrocketed. Now they're starting to come back down, like I said. Diesel prices will probably drop under $3 a gallon, too. Just got to wait.
All right. Great stuff. Thank you so much, Patrick, with GasBuddy.com. We appreciate your time. All right.